and then my one Mac wrench. And that's all. And I got my flare nut, crow's feet. And those are 3/8 up to 3/4 of an inch. That's all my SAEs. These are all my metrics. All snap-ons. 10 millimeter, all up to 24 millimeter. I have one 9 shorter stubby and one Mac 13 millimeter. Got my double sides again, same thing, 19 down to 10. Got my shorties, 19 down to 6. So that's 6 to 19. Shorties, I like those. I got all the flare nut wrenches from 9 all the way up to 21. Those are all my metrics. Screwdriver drawer. All my straight bits. All my Phillips. Got the one ratchet. One snap-on torque bit. I don't know how I got that. Valve stem remover. Pocket screwdrivers. Scraper. One long. Number 2. But yeah, on the Phillips I got 4, 3, 2, an old school 2 that actually has a drive on the back of it too. I don't remember how I acquired that, but that's actually an old snap-on. And then number 1, number 2 stubby. And of course I got all the numbers for the straights. Had these Craftsman nut drivers. Had these for about 30 years as well. They're all USA made. Both SAE and metric. This is my Allen's torque bit. Stars. Also my 1/4 inch in here too. Metric and SAE. One Phillips screwdriver because I already had one in there. I had an extra. One step that goes from 3/8 down to 1/4. Little 1/4 inch breaker bar. Ratchet. Got a drive for the little 1/4 inch drive impact. Wobbly, some extensions. And then of course a nut driver with a 1/4 inch stuff. No deeps on those. These are made by Channel Lock. Torques. Haven't really used them. I just kind of recently got them. They go from 60, T60 down to T10. Some more Channel Lock. These go from 8. However, those are, what was that? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. I've got some old snap-on torques when they first started coming out with torques, and a couple Mac Allens. Back when I used to be a mechanic. And these are Huskies, both American and SAEs. 1/4 inch up to 3/4. This is number 10 up to 19. These are all 3/8 drives. And I got a Milwaukee angle. That'll get into some good tight areas, nice and small. I have one set Proto Allens, SAEs. Like somehow I got this. It was my grandfather's. Just kind of held on to it. It's an old T with a socket on it. For my hand tools, my vices, pliers, cutters. Got a couple channel locks in there. Got some vice grips. Long snap-on needles. Small little cutters. My grandfather's. Always hang on to those. Got a couple blue points. These are my grandfather's, some linesman's. And an old school monkey wrench. Made in the good old USA. Got some opened end adjustables. Number 10, snap-on. An 8. A 6. These are opened end adjustables. They're not crescent wrenches. They're opened end adjustables. One end is open, they adjust. Snap-on slip pliers. Snap-on slip pliers, smalls. Snap-on. They got that extra little, I don't know. Back in 1988, they came out with these, and they apply double the force. I don't remember exactly what these were called. Got some flat duck needles, standard needles, end cutters, another set of end cutters, just a different size. A couple more vice grips, some smalls.